Okay, here we have an old loading dock. Burt Gilman Trail's right there. Don't know what company this is for, but you can see now old rails, it looks like. And there's even still some track left here. So it's probably the old grade down here for the ways. Looks like there's still maybe some original ballast down there. Now here, looks like it turns into private property. The sign says private property, no trespassing, permit number blank. But that trespassing, or the property actually, looks like it was added later. It wouldn't surprise me if that said private right-of-way or something at one time. This is probably an old railroad sign. Can't really tell what it used to say though. Huh. And here's something for you. Old wood railroad crossing grade with the rails still there. That's cool. It's like at Michael's drywall something. Kind of see underneath that bush there, it looks like there's some old rail just sitting there. Days gone by. They stacked it up when they took out the track from the crossing here or something. Now here you can still see some of the raised grade. Goes off and disappears into the bushes. Here's some more track for you. As you can see, the rails are cut off at the end. They just left them in the asphalt probably because it's easier. Rails that once carried steam locomotives. There's the right-of-way down that way. Here's something for you. You know, there's pictures of oars. It's like Bothell Station. That's cool. So the railroad grade is right over there in those bushes. Up there. So this is a little bit of a race embankment. Old railroad, what do you know? Here's some more rail, proving that even though the grade has changed, the railroad was still here at one point. Looks like the grade comes back again, the actual grade. Covered in ivy, going down that way. So you can see down there, this is where the tracks pick back up. You go on here to the Y, and that's where the Eastside Freight Railroad roundhouse, if you want to call it, or more locomotive fence, is located. So this is probably about as far as the trains could possibly go, and even then probably only a speeder could get this far. Yeah. I'm wondering if this was a old Northern Pacific Route flag location. Yep, the current day crossing are for crossing warning signs. And over there you can see the locomotive and caboose in the distance. So perhaps you can see it, but there goes your little bunny out here in the park. There's the train bridge. There's one of the old trestles. That looks like it has newer metal beams on that side, but it still has the old wood ones on this side. Yep. The road bridge. There's another railroad bridge down there. The next railroad bridge. still has the old no trespassing Burlington Northern Incorporated signs. Pretty cool. There's some more rabbits. Trails right there. A little side path. Looks like it goes to that old lumber yard and everything. They might actually still use the sign, I'm not sure. So I'm not going to go any closer. I have no idea what that sign says. Probably no trespassing. So stay out of there. Back to the trail. Yeah, good thing it's out of the area. It's still an active lumber yard. And they still ship shipments there apparently because they have some current railroad cars there. Best to stay out of those areas. Time to follow the trail. Walking back along the Sammamish River Trail. There's Sammamish River, I think. There's our amazing freeway system. It's weird being next to it. A lot of people will think about the freeways in the future. We all have individual cars and little concrete bridges and everything. But there's a nice sunset there. Head back to Bothell. They get there before. I'm wondering. The bushes over there. S.L.S railroad grade. So we got a couple Canadian geese down here. Lots of people going lots of places. All above my head. Weird. Back there. And that's why I couldn't find the trail last time. Walked right by the entrance. Walked all the way around. Bothell Station, I have to remember that. And here's the old railroad tracks again. So we'll just cross the street here at the crosswalk and walk on back on the sidewalk. And there's the loading dock we started with, which means we're back.